What's going on YouTube? Darren Rhodes here, back with another video, and today we are going to change the oil in my car, my race car, and basically just running up and up and down the driveway so we can get it warmed up and everything for the oil change. So basically, I wanted to do this intro real quick, and there's not going to be much talking in this video because the race car is really loud, but I just didn't talk much. So basically I just wanted to give you an update on the car. So we did an oil change and oil filter and stuff like that, and then we got a parts car, and we swapped radiators because my car had a radiator leak, and so we did the radiator swap, stuff like that, oil change, oil filters swap, and so yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will catch you in the next one. What's going on YouTube? Darren Rhodes here, back with another video, and today we're going to be doing an oil change on my race car today. So right now we're just warming the car up. So yep, hope you enjoyed the video. So anyways guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, bell notification button, comment, and to tell me what you guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, and I will, and make sure to go check out the description my Instagram and Facebook's down there. Go check them out. Not too active on there, but eventually I will get more active on there. And there's a race coming up March 27th. We're going to be racing at Tyler County Speedway, I think. And so hopefully we'll make it to that race. My car is pretty much ready. And yeah. So anyways, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. And I will see you in the next video.